Hi, I want to show you how to fix a clicking noise coming from the refrigerator. The clicking noise is a relay that has gone bad, and right here is the compressor, and this is where the relay usually is, next to the compressor. I remove the cap on top in front of the relay. As you can see, this is the compressor starter relay, and this is the overload protection relay. First, you want to remove the blade connectors right here and here. Next is to remove the compressor starter relay right here by kind of wiggling it gently and trying to pull it out. And this is what the compressor starter relay looks like. You can tell one thing that is bad is when you shake it and it sounds like there's rocks or something inside broken. This is when a relay has failed. It's only a 2-pin relay and a single connection. The next step is to find the part number of this relay. As you can see, it says 8EA40123X4R and it's made in Mexico. Your relay might be different. You just have to look around the relay to see if you can find a part number. And you can go online and try to search for that part and see if there's any alternatives. It will be different for each kind of refrigerator. So I went to a local parts store and asked for this part, and they couldn't find one, so they gave me a universal part, which is the one right here, which was an IC102 part. This is the new part, the IC102 relay. As you can see, it's different from the original one. This one actually has 3 blade terminals and mine only has 1, but the person at the parts store said that this is universal and it should connect into the spot okay, and then you just plug in the single terminal right here from the original to that spot and leave the other ones unhooked because there's no cable for it or wire. As you see, I installed the new part, the IC102 relay. Even though it looked funny in shape and color and just thought it wouldn't fit, it actually plugged in because the 2 pins that it plugs into actually fits in the holes, and the size actually fit in the area where the original brown one had fit. As you can see, I plugged in the spade slide terminals back into the blades, and I made sure that I put the red wire back on the top spot where the first one was on, so because there's 2 blades here, so I plugged in the first one. Now the thing is to plug back the refrigerator and see if the compressor comes back on. After I plugged in the refrigerator, I started hearing the compressor come back on, as you can hear by the humming. The other sound is the fan, which is running too. So hopefully in a couple hours the refrigerator will cool back down and I can put stuff back into the refrigerator. Thank you for watching.